everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download SingleCare application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download SingleCare application on your Android phone is easy. Go ahead and open up your Play Store and search for SingleCare app. In the search box, you should be able to find the application displayed right in your search result. But if you don't find it there, go ahead and open up a web browser and in the search box type in en.aptoide.com and search. Aptoide is known as the alternative Android app store. If you don't find the SingleCare app on your App Store or your Play Store, then you'll be able to find it on this website. From the search results of aptoide.com, tap on the download button at the bottom of the screen and download the Aptoide app on your Android phone first. Tap on the download anyway button in the pop-up and wait for the file to download on your Android. Once the download is completed, tap open and tap on install in order to install Aptoide first on your Android device. Once the app is installed, tap on open to launch open Aptoide. Now, once you're inside, tap the search button at the bottom of the screen. In the search box, type in SingleCare and search. In the list, you'll be able to see the application displayed at the very top. Give it a tap to open and tap on the install button to download SingleCare application. Tap OK in order to access your phone's storage and tap on allow to necessary permissions and wait until the application is downloaded for your Android. SingleCare is a free prescriptions savings service and discount card that can save you up to 80% on medications at most major pharmacies. Once you see this pop-up, tap on the settings button and tap on the toggle button right next to allow from this source in order to allow installing app from this source. Now, once you end up in this page, tap on install and wait until the application gets installed on your Android device. Once the installation is completed, you'll be able to see the SingleCare application downloaded right on your Android phone. SingleCare is always free to use and it works whether you have an insurance or not. You can have access to your medications at lower prices available with the service. That is how you can easily download SingleCare application on your Android phone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.